YouTube fam, was good? It's your boy Ray, and in this YouTube channel I talk about tech and I do product tech reviews. And if that's something that you're into, bro, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now today I got a quick video. It's not exactly a full review, but the point of this video is to help you decide if AirTags are for you or if you should save your money. Let's roll it. If you are any of these two types of people, maybe you should save your money and not really get AirTags. And I don't know why I'm waving this pen around. If you're on the Android or Google ecosystem, you should definitely save your money and not think about getting AirTags. AirTags is an Apple product designed to work really well with all the Apple products. If you're on the Android ecosystem, you should definitely take a look at Smart Tag, which I will put a picture somewhere in the video. And if you're on the Google ecosystem, I recommend you to take a look at Tile or Chart Per Image. I know one tile is $24, and with Chart Per Image, you can get a pack of 3 for $49. I almost forgot to say, I'm supposed to give you 2 reasons. That was reason number 1. Reason number 2 is, let's be honest, if you're someone that knows where everything is at and your keys and your wallet and everything, you have it on site, you should save your money. If you don't really lose anything, there's no need for you to get something like this, unless you're on the Apple ecosystem and you really want to get one just in case. But other than that, I would recommend you to save your money and just keep being an organized, nice person, unlike me that doesn't lose his keys and wallets all the time. Okay, talking about the Apple ecosystem, that brings me to the reason number 1 why AirTags might be beneficial for you. If you're like me and you lose your bag, your keys, or anything like that, AirTags do come in clutch. And let me show you how they work real quick. I know I didn't show it here, but the way to get to this is you go to Find Mine in your iPhone, you go to Items, you select your AirTag and you hit Find. And then as long as you're somewhere near your AirTag, it'll show you how far you're away from it, and it'll actually show you where it is and how to get to it, which is pretty awesome. And it'll give you haptic feedback and everything the closer you get to it. Pretty cool. Now, coming in with reason number 2. I mean, if you have an iPhone, it just makes sense to get the AirTag. Like I said before, Apple products work really well with all the Apple products, and the process to set it up is super easy. You just literally take the plastic off the AirTag, put it right next to your phone. It's gonna make a sound, and boom, you get that message on your phone, and you can title it to whatever it is that you want to title it. Super easy peasy. Yeah, Ray, let's never say that again. Last but not least, reason number 3, which is user experience. Now think about it, this thing's small, so you can put it everywhere and take it everywhere. If you want to track it or make it play a sound, you can just go to Find Mine on your iPhone, and in there you can make it do all that. You don't need a third-party app. The process to set it up is super easy, and I'm pretty sure this is what Apple was aiming for when they did this product, and yo, they did it. Okay, let's say your AirTag is in your bag and you left your bag in the train, bus, or whichever random place you were at, and you're not near it anymore. You can actually report it as lost. Leave a message and leave your phone number.
So you go into the Find My UI, select the item, and mark it as lost. Now at this point, hopefully there are other iPhones nearby, and it can help passively update the location of your AirTag on the map. But when you mark it as lost, it lets you enter a phone number and a message for.
So if another iPhone user finds it, they'll be able to see that number that you left and that message. Even if someone with an Android finds it, they can actually scan it, and it'll take them to a website where they can see the message that you left and your phone number, and hopefully they'll call you and give it back to you. This is the end of the video. I know it's pretty sad, but hopefully this video can help you decide if AirTags are for you or you should save your money. I have a lot more videos coming up. Stay tuned. There's also a giveaway at 350 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned for that. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and see you in the next video. Peace out.